To set up the Alfa Lite Nest bassinet, remove all components from the carry bag. Unfold the frame until it locks into place. Listen for a click. Next, lay the playard frame down with the legs facing up. Pull each leg until it locks into place. Listen for a click. Now, attach the clip on the bottom corner of the playard frame fabric to the clips on the leg. Repeat on all 4 corners. Make sure the straps are not twisted and are properly secure. Flip over the frame. Insert the bassinet into the playard frame and secure it with the zipper. Then tuck the flap on the bassinet into the handle cutout on the playard fabric. Make sure the board on the floor of the bassinet is completely pushed into the pocket and the pocket is fastened. Place the bassinet mattress onto the floor of the bassinet. To fold the playard in bassinet mode, the bassinet mattress must be removed, and the board on the floor of the bassinet must be pulled halfway out of the pocket. To convert from bassinet to playard, start by removing the bassinet mattress. Open the pocket on the bottom of the bassinet and pull the board halfway out. Release the flap and unzip the bassinet. Remove it from the playard frame. Fold and store the bassinet. On the bottom of the playard mattress pad, make sure to pull each strap through the openings on the fitted sheet. Insert the playard mattress pad into the playard frame, padded side up. Locate 4 slots on the floor of the playard. Thread the buckle with the white strap through the slot on the floor of the playard. Secure the buckle. Repeat for the remaining corners. To convert from a playard to a play area, undo the zipper buckle. Then unzip the door and tuck it under the playard floor. To pack up the playard, unbuckle all 4 mattress pad clips on the bottom of the playard frame. Remove the playard mattress from the playard frame. Flip the playard over and locate the release button on the corners of the playard. Push on the release button while at the same time pushing down on the bottom tab to unlock the leg. Fold the leg down. Repeat this step for all legs. Flip the frame back over with the legs facing down. Press in both fold buttons located inside the hubs on the playard frame. Fold the playard frame in half. To keep instructions for future use, place the manual in the storage sleeve located on the underside of the playard mattress pad. Place the playard frame and folded playard mattress into the carry bag.